am Joanne Laila Vegas. I am 3 years old. The Lord is come. Let us receive a King. My name is Miloshka. I am a plastic. These days, people throw here and there rubbish. They make the surrounding dirty. Pick up and throw it in the dustbin. Don't make the surrounding dirty. Make the surrounding clean. Don't burn plastics. It's not good for us. You can recycle the plastic. You can make beautiful flowers, dresses, and a hat. Best from plastics.
Hi everyone, I'm Flinpereira as plastic. Look around you. I am everywhere in the form of bags, bottles, etc. I take thousands of years to decompose. I'm very harmful to environment and you. So please stop using plastic. Instead, use paper bags. So friends, do something drastic. Cut the plastic. Thank you.
Ata. I am a garbage. Hi everyone, I am a garbage, the king of mess. I peel up, I stink, I make art, I do it all. Recycle me, burn me, landfill me. I will just trash talk my way out. Hashtag garbage goes. Thank you. King Melchior. I am busy the baby Jesus. He was the most highest king of all. Merry Christmas, everyone. Here inside the manger where baby Jesus lay, I made a soft bed for him on that holy night. Y'all use me to make the clip. Thank you. I'm painting everyone's houses. Hi friends, my name is Johanna. I am a chef. I love to cook. I love cooking. Come visit my Ata restaurant located to the side row bungalows, Sucaldem, Chinchinim. Thank you. Hello, my name is Jasper Baleto. I am 8. My name is Jasper Barreto. I'm 8 years old. And I'm gonna make you laugh. And I'm gonna be Mr. Bean.
She called me Mr. Bombastic, fantastic. Hello, my friends. I'm Sheikh Dwayne Rebello, and I've come all the way from Dubai to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Everyone, I am Palaya Venali Pereira. Today I have portrayed myself as Mother Earth, your only home, giving you air, water, and life. But pollution, plastic, and cutting trees are making me sick. We must act now by planting trees, saving energy, reducing plastic, and recycling to heal me. Because there's no other habitat to use resources wisely, conserve nature, and protect my beauty, ensuring a healthy future for everyone. As saving me is saving ourselves. The miracle is not to fly in the air or to walk on water, but to walk on the earth. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Velam Fernandez. I am patient. I am 11 years old. Awage dukada. Awage dukada. Eka jorwa chapatia zalo pisa uleta mong zalo koso akara kamuro dinamuro koso akaportoi dore. I love koso teka zali bagasa guada aja goa saka sob gailo baga washe goro are ti waita moja gomtia doro gudai do baga bodo lo awage mono dandai lo dugada fodari je gailo baga bodo lo awage mono dandai lo dugada fodari je gailo awage dugada awage dugada
Baji Zygo Baji.
म्हजें नांव एंजल. तुमी म्हाका पळयलां आसतलें. हांव चिंचोण्या बाजारांत भाजी घेवन बसतां. म्हजे कडेन बायल्यो, दादले, चेडवाची लाय लागतात. चेडे म्हणटात हांव बरें दिसता. तो चेडो म्हणटा हांव बोंगरांनी झगझगता. तो चेडो म्हाका पिक्चरां पळयता. पूण एक सांगू, तो आपलो खड्डो मात वीक घालून लिपयता. म्हजे कडेन ताजी भाजी आसात. मुळो भाजी, टमाटा, लिंबू. उपकार करून कॉकटेल, सलामी, पिझ्झा खाय नाकात. हे जिवाक बरें न्हय. म्हजे लागीं ताजी भाजी घेयात. म्हजे लागीं स्कीम आसात. 30 रुपया टमाटा गेल्यार 2 लिंबू फ्री. म्हज्या चेडवाक भाजी विकपाक सामकें लज दिसतालें. ताका बाबा तुका भाजी जाय रे, बाय तुका भाजी जाय गो, हें म्हणपाक सामकें लज दिसतालें. पूण आतां तो समजलो. आतां ताचे कडेन व्हडले गाडी आसा. ताच्या गोड्याक मोठी भांगराची सोडपूण आनी ताच्या हातांत मोठी भांगराची मास्कोत आसा. भाजी कान हांव चिंचोणचे, भाजी म्हजे गोस्ताचे. तुमकां जाय जाल्यार व्हरपाचे, फुकट न्हय तें दिवपाचे. इंग्लीश तुमी उलोवशी, हांव जाता चड खुशी. वॉट इज द प्रायस म्हूण विचारशी. 30 रुपया फॉर 1 किल टमाटा. बाय ओ बाय तुका भाजी जाय गो, कितें नाका. बाबा ओ बाबा तुका भाजी जाय रे, तुकाय बी नाका. तुमकां भाजी जाय,
घे न्हू सामकें ताजें. तुमकांय बी नाका? बरें तर हांव येता. तुमकां भाजी जाय जाल्यार म्हाका फोन करात. म्हजो नंबर 888-442211. देव बरें करून.
तुमी हांव आंतोन भाकार एसो भाटान पावसांक गेलो. कोण म्हाका सांगलें जेवण आहा फ्री म्हूण हांव येयलो.